that crash right there will result in Liam Everts sitting out of the MX2 race in Finland. As of the moment, he is sitting fourth in the MX2 standings behind Simon Langenfelder, Andre Adamo, Kai de Wolf, and then Liam Everts, who has 474 points. And, well, sadly to say, he's going to be out. And it's due to that crash right there. Now, as of a team PR or release, whatever you want to call it, saying, quote, following a heavy crash while leading this afternoon's qualifying race, the Belgian sustained a sacral fracture and will return home for further medical evaluation. Get well soon, Liam. Now, I didn't know a sacral, I don't know how to say it, but I didn't know what that is, so I looked it up. It's a break or crack in the sacrum, a large triangular bone at the base of the spine that connects the spine to the pelvis. So not exactly something you really want to break, and is going to be probably very, very painful for a long time. So who knows how long he's going to be out. Something like that with the, I don't want to say shock, but the amount of compression that these guys deal with landing from jumps, just going over rollers, hitting everything, going through your body, it's going to be very painful for a very long time. So hopefully it's not horrible, slight crack, slight fracture, something like that. That's not a season-ending injury or something worse. Hopefully, knock on wood, it's a slight crack and he can be back to the races soon. Either way, this is a title ender for him. I mean, obviously, in fourth, he's 123 points behind, so he's really kind of out of the title contention already. But still, top 4, top 5 is a pretty good, running for the year. Sad to see. I mean, you never want to see anybody get injured because it makes the product worse. I mean, you want the best guys racing all the time against each other, creates the best product, it's the most fun to watch, better competition, and you never want to see anybody get injured in general, no matter what the reason is. So hopefully he can get healed, come back to racing soon. This is where I'm going to leave you. Do you watch MX2, MXGP? Or are you just an American motocross fan? What do you think of our titles going on? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.